chicken kebab sandwich. Kofefe, just kidding, it's kunefe. Or here it's called nape with nuts. I'm excited for it.
Are you?
Yeah, hey, come here now. You're not a fan?
Oh, it's really good.
It's like
They like everything drenched in honey. And I don't blame them. I do too.
strands of phyllo dough, maybe?
No, you think?
I don't know.
You didn't do your homework again?
This one's with nuts. I also have one with cheese, which is actually the only kunefe that I know, because that's what Trader Joe's sells.
That's really good. Imagine if it wasn't,
Pre-baked.
well, if it was crunchy still, because I mean, you put these in these and then that happens, but
Right.
it's delicious.
So,
Head out here.
the St. George Festival goes for 2 days every year. This year it is the 15th and 16th of July. There's camel rides, there's music, dancing. There is a very well-priced soup or bazaar. There is a bake sale with things like this and fresh bread. There's the largest silent auction setting I've ever seen. There's amazing food from Beirut.
You can get frozen meals to go.
Like pot pie and wild rice. And there's, did I already say camel rides? Because I can't get over the camel.
Yeah, he's right there. If you ever ridden a camel, it's not easy and it's not fun and your ass hurts.
You should do it once in your life, though.
Yeah, always once.
Okay. Later.
If I were to be in a desert on a camel, I would be history.
Yalla. Bye.
What's under the sand?
More sand? What?
Ask David Attenborough, he'll tell you.
All right.